They say that the Russia army don't come outside, they'll come send message to Simon Ekpa, tell am say make e no dey use him video or claim anything concern am again. My people, e don red. As that one dey happen, they say that the IPOB don send a message give to the Biafrans, say make anybody no talk say I die no, because of on 30th being the Heroes Day, that all Biafra must observe it. No be small thing. I'm going to play you the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please share this video and make sure you follow this page for more updates. So I'm going to play you the video of this Biafra Russia army, which is, he also say is a Biafran fighting for Russia, and with the message wey he send go give Simon Ekpa.
Igbo bụ Igbo mma mmanụ. Afọ mbụ Okoma Samuel Ikechukwu. Nation from Uzi, Nidata North Local Government, Imo Province, Biafran land. I'm a proud Biafran based here in Russia, currently serving in Russian army. As you can see, I'm making this video from the front. So this video is for Simon Ekpa. Lately, friends draw my attention on my viral award video and some of photos you are using on your platform. And to me, it is not welcomed. I think the first thing you should have done is to, first of all, seek my consent. I don't belong to any autopilot. You understand? I have a Russian family, and there is a need to defend the Russian Federation against terrorists in NATO. And I volunteered. You all know that we Biafrans, we are the most bravest people in the world. Have you known Biafrans in American army currently serving? Have you known Biafrans in the British army? Why don't you use their photos? Why must it be me? So bro, it is totally unacceptable to me. So today, which is 12th of May, I mandate you, bro, take down every of my posts, every of my picture and videos on your post. Because personally, I don't believe in what you believe. I don't even know who you are. I don't even follow any of your page. Any of your page, I don't follow. I have never even commented on any of your posts or any of your viral video. So please, my brother, take down my posts, my photos and videos from your page with an immediate effect. I'm a very serious guy. I don't do those shit with you guys, okay? Yeah. My second home is Russia, where I'm holding her documents. And there is a need to defend it, and I'm here to defend it. As a proud Biafra. So please, friends, help me share this video so that it will get to Simon Ekpa. And for public notice and for reference purpose, don't allow yourself to be scammed or manipulated by any chance with my photo or my video. There are so many of my videos that are on Russian social media as a black guy fighting for Russia. So it's something that is not common. So my videos are going viral. Because here, this is a modern war. Everything you are doing on the front line, drone copy you, video, helmet camera or body camera cover you, all those things. So there are lots of my videos on Russian sites. Probably that is where they got those videos from. And I don't want my video or my photo to be used as a means of manipulation for any kind. Do you understand me? I'm a proud Biafran, and I'm proud for who I am. I don't belong to your autopilot. I don't believe in your chain of operation, you know. So to me, it's a red line using my photo on something you do without my consent. So when you're Simon Doy and the mother, there are so many Biafrans in American army. I wouldn't know Omar I can send to him. There are so many Biafrans in British army. So why would my own be different? So help share this video so that it might get to whom concerned. And don't allow yourself to be fooled. Okay? I don't know who Simon is. I don't know him. Since 3 days, I've been trying to get either his email or his WhatsApp or any channel, because here I can't operate Twitter. I can only operate Facebook. So I can't reach him. And I have proof. I have written to the Facebook social media and some people whom I have already written to get me his contact, but to me it's taking time. So I wake up this morning with a write-up that's got me pissed. That's why I'm doing this video. So Simon, or whatsoever you call your name, Prime Minister, I don't give a fuck about you, bro. Just don't use me for that shit. On a very, very serious note, brother. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't like it. Don't do it. So the ones you've done already, take it down. And public, don't be deceived, okay? We are Biafrans. Nobody will take away Biafran from us. Nobody. Anywhere, my child will identify as a Biafran. You understand? That is what I'm proud of. My father fought for this. Okay? So, and fuck you with your blood.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, I am going to show you this video coming from IPOB sending a message to Biafrans where they for inside Southeast, telling them that come on 30th. They say na no go area, say anybody will put body, that person go collect to. They say that day, say men go come outside, converse for the people where they don't buy for Biafra matter. Let me play the video before we come back and continue. Please listen to the voice.
Biko, onwere okwa nchore ma now. Biko, our GOC ekugo ya before, but actually I can repeat it here because some of us na be so deaf that aga gwa ha oku aga ha no. And many people have we feel not just a normal thing. Biko, on 30th, everybody know ever. Zie negi na nna gi na umu negi, cousins, brother, whatsoever. Zie hand that na achọ ihu onye ọbụla n'iro. Me na put iro say na aga church. Me na put iro na na aga ahia mo anywhere in aga. Achọ inwete mmadu n'iro. Onya bịakwa n'ebe a bịa ba akwa. Say that na ha gbagburu nne ya, mo na agbagburu nna ya, mo na agbagburu anybody related to you. Abịakwa n'ebe a gi bechi anya ntị because 30th ọ ga dey very 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 tight more than before. You got to go? One day go on army, one day go on police, one day go on air force, on navy, whatsoever. Ihe ọbụla ọ na-arụ na zu Chineke kpọrọ ọkụ. Gwa ya now. Na that day, na ye zuzu pụta on outside. Na ye you kwene that their useless clothes zuzu pụta outside. Because ị ga-abịakwa na platform aba akwa. So 30th of May, districtly, everybody ga-anọ ka echete ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Ka echete ndị nna nna anya ha nwụrụ anwụ. Ka echete ndị ESN nwụrụ anwụ. Ka echete everybody now na struggle na log maka struggle nwụrụ anwụ. Then onye feel izie na ichi ya wish na abụọ. Nyanwa ma egene pụta. And zikwere ha ozi na nke abụrọkwa ihe Simeon Ekpa. Nke awụ for directly from HOD IPOB ọbụrọkwa ihe Simeon Ekpa onye ori. So zie ha that all the strictly warned that onye ọbụla cross na aside. Me na apụta si chọrọ gazuru ihe na-eri that Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ ma ha nweta gị n'ụzọ. Me na apụta nya mee ihe ahụ before that day. Because that day, onwekwe excuse ị ga-enye ma nweta gị n'ụzọ Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ dị ya. Excuse anyị ga-enye jiri this period gaa mee ihe anyị chọrọ ime. Church ga jiri within this period gaa mee ya. Oru ha na on 29th night stroke 30th early morning enweta gị n'iro. You will understand na IPOP that they are not joking.
My people, he don't read. You see this Biafra issue? He don't read. He don't. When I say he don't read, he don't read. However, I will leave you now. Me wanna drop on our own opinion for inside comment section and share the video so that more people will see they know what they go on. Thank you for watching.